Peppers, love them, hate them. They come in all shapes, sizes, colors, and flavors. But how do we cut them? First, an easiest way, chop off the front, chop off the back, take your knife, go in and roll. And from there you can slice, cube, dice, you can fine mince or fine slice, brunoise. You can do so much. Now we're gonna do this, cut it down to the seeds. We're gonna open her up. We're gonna remove the pith, the white part. We're gonna cut and remove the white part. If you're doing veggie platters, you get to keep the shape of the pepper. This is great for your crudités. Summer's coming. And last but not least, this is the I don't care. This is the easiest way, but creates the most waste. Take out the white. This is great for stir fries, because then you could just chop as you need. So here you have it. The tuck and roll, the down the middle, and the all sides off. I'm a pepper, you're a pepper, we's a pepper. Enjoy your peppers. Thank you, and goodbye.